Hello folks, hope all is well. Just want to talk a little bit about the bushing fitment in our pods. We're using the 3/16 opening in our pods here, and they just need a little bit of cleanup, as most pods do, just to give those bushings a few thousandths movement so that you can make alignment a lot easier without any binding. What I like to use is a 3/16 chainsaw sharpening bit, Dremel, Amazon, etc. You don't need anything very expensive to get through the plastic, and just put them in there just like that, and you can just twist it by hand. That's all you need to do, and then just a little bit, that's it. That's all you need. You're just kind of deburring it just like that, and that'll allow the bushing to fit in here. And again, it's just turning with your fingers just like that. Now the bushings I'm using the JK here, the 3/16, but you can use whatever brand you want. When I glue the bushings to the pod, I like to use the cheap super glue and use the thin stuff. That's what works the best, not the gel. I also use some Sloccar Corner setup wheels. You can use the wheels you're going to use on the model, but do yourself a favor, get you a couple of sets of these, because they come in handy, especially when it comes to things like this and some scratch building. Never say never. Anyhow, I'll back this off just a little bit, and then a drop of oil, just in case the super glue gets away from you. Has that ever happened? I can tell you it has for me. Anyway, because you don't want to glue the axle to the bushing. So I'll press that on there, and there it goes. Got plenty of pressure, and I'll do the same on each side. Then just a little bit of super glue here, and I just use a toothpick and just carefully come in like this and just touch it just like that, and it will flow around the bushing and get to the inside. Same with the other. You don't want to get heavy-handed. Just a drop really is all you need, and it'll go around and soak in place. Then let it dry. Alright, now we're going to check the alignment after it's dry, and yep, that's what you should see. That kind of movement. There's just no binding. Nice and smooth. You can add some polish if you want to. A lot of folks do. Put it in a drill bit, polish it up. But at the end of the day, if this is what you see, you should be happy. Anyway, hope that helps you folks out there. As always, look forward to your comments, questions. You know the deal. I'll see you online.